for the Evo Entanglement Show Best Sportster. Up in the crossroads earlier. She stands 5'7", measures 32, 24, 34, with brown hair and brown eyes. And 3 words to describe herself: all natural native. That is number 2, Angel from Madison, Wisconsin.
Here, I'm gonna pick up the trash.
Number 3 is from Jacksonville, Florida. This is Rose. She's a bartender and a dancer and stands 5'5" inches tall. Her measurement is 33, 27, 39. The right size for fun, with deep ebony colored hair, and her eyes are as dark and bold as the night sky. 3 words about herself: intriguing, captivating, and transformative. That is number 3 from Jacksonville, Florida. That is Rose. Number 4 from Toledo, Ohio. This is Destiny. Her occupation: she's a model and a boutique owner and stands 5'5". Her measurements are 32, 24, 34, with copper colored hair and red, baby blue eyes. And 3 words about herself: down to earth. That is number 4 from Toledo, Ohio. That's Destiny. Number 5 is from Savannah, Georgia. This is Maya. She's a sugar baby and her height is 5'2". Her measures are 32 triple D, and who gives a shit about the rest? She's got dark brown hair and green eyes. And 3 words to describe herself: outgoing, loving, and crazy. That is number 5. From Savannah, Georgia, that is Maya. Number 6, this is Jocelyn, and she is from Ohio. Her occupation: she's an emergency room nurse. She said, call me if you need me, if you party too hard. She stands 5'8", and her measures are tiny, but just the right size. She's a fun blonde with hazel eyes, and 3 words to describe Jocelyn: motivated, loyal, and fun. That is number 6 from Ohio. That's Jocelyn.